Good Saturday morning, everyone, here with your 5 a.m. update on Hurricane Isaias as it continues to move through the Bahamas. And as it does so, it is running into a good bit of wind shear. There's also some dry air getting entrained into the system, and those two things, when it comes to tropical systems, are not good for it. So it is looking very disorganized as of this morning as it continues to move off towards the northwest at 12 miles per hour, carrying maximum sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. So it did strengthen regardless of its disorganized look as of this morning. So as we go through the day today, it is going to approach the southeast coast of Florida as a Category 1 hurricane. So as we head into tonight through the overnight, it is expected to approach southeast Florida. In anticipation of this storm, there are hurricane warnings along much of the coast of Florida. And as you head further inland, tropical storm warnings are in effect. This could potentially make landfall somewhere in Florida along the Space Coast. Either way, due to its close proximity and its potential interaction with the coast of Florida, it is expected to weaken now. That's one of the new updates as of the 5 a.m. advisory as a tropical storm as it approaches the Georgia coastline and potentially parallels the Georgia coast as we head into Monday. It also slowed down a little bit, so we're not looking at more of a Sunday event, but more of a Monday thing. For us here in central Georgia, our impacts do look minimal, and we'll get to that in just a second. I just want to point out, where could this storm go? So we show you these spaghetti plots quite a bit, but even as we head into tonight, so really only a few hours away, the spaghetti models still have a very wide spread of where this storm could go. So there is still a lot of uncertainty, and that's also in part because this storm is very disorganized as of this morning. So kind of tough to pinpoint exactly where it's going to go. Either way, all models are agreeing at that northeast shift as it heads closer to the coast of Georgia. It still could potentially ride very close to the coast or potentially move slightly inland, which would increase our impacts slightly, but still here, what we're looking at is maybe some gusty wind as we head into the start of the work week. So as we head into Monday morning, we'll start to see wind gusts pick up as the storm is riding along the Florida coast. And as we head into Monday afternoon and into the evening, we could see wind gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour. That would be for our southeasternmost counties. The further west you are of 75, the less it looks like you will see impacts from this system. Also south of Macon could see some slightly higher wind gusts from this storm. When it comes to rain, not really going to see much of that as we are on the clean side of the storm or the dry side of the storm. I want to put it in a different perspective for you. This is a graphic that the National Hurricane Center puts out. This is the probability of winds over 40 miles per hour. So basically, just like I was saying, could see wind gusts upwards of 30, but the probability for us to see any kind of tropical storm force impacts is really none. Now, if that changes, we'll be sure to keep you updated as it still could shift a little bit to the west, but that's not looking to be the trend as of this morning. Like I said, rainfall, not really going to get much of any from this system, unfortunately. It does look like we could have some widespread rain as we head into Monday from this system, but that's going to be about it. Could pick up about a tenth to maybe just under an inch of rain. More rain, most of the rain, the heaviest rainfall, will stay out towards the coast. Of course, this still could be a changing forecast, so we'll be sure to update you on air and online as the advisories come out on Hurricane Isaias.